In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to collapse rows in Smartsheet step by step. This is a super useful feature if you're working with large sheets, project plans, task lists, or dashboards, and you want to keep things clean and easy to navigate. Collapsing rows helps you hide details while keeping summaries visible, which makes your sheets much more readable. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet and software tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into Smartsheet and have the sheet open where you want to collapse rows. This works in Grid View, which is where most people manage tasks and hierarchies. Scroll to the section of the sheet where you want to create collapsible rows. You'll notice that Smartsheet uses a parent and child row structure, and collapsing only works when rows are indented under a parent row. Now, click on the row numbers on the left-hand side to select the rows you want to collapse. You can select a single row or multiple rows at the same time. These should be the rows that you want to turn into child rows under a main parent row. If you want to select multiple rows quickly, you can click and drag down the row numbers or hold down the Shift key while selecting. Once your rows are selected, look up at the toolbar at the top of Smartsheet. Find the Indent button. This is the key step. Click on Indent and you'll see the selected rows move slightly to the right. This means they are now child rows under the row directly above them. That top row becomes the parent row and the indented rows become its children. After indenting, look back to the left side of the sheet, next to the parent row. You'll now see a small minus icon appear. This minus icon means the child rows are currently expanded and visible. To collapse the rows, simply click on the minus icon. As soon as you click it, all of the indented child rows will be hidden from view, leaving only the parent row visible. If you ever want to expand the rows again, just click the plus icon that appears in the same spot. This will instantly show all the child rows again. You can collapse and expand rows as often as you like, and this doesn't delete or remove any data. It only changes how the information is displayed. One important tip is that you can create multiple levels of hierarchy. You can indent rows under child rows to create subtasks, and each parent row will have its own collapse and expand control. This is extremely useful for complex projects where you want a high-level overview without being overwhelmed by details. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to collapse rows in Smartsheet using indentation and the expanding collapse controls. This simple feature can make a huge difference in how organized and professional your sheets look. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.